Hey guys, Chris here from Tire Supply Network, and today we're doing an unboxing video from Xtra of their tire repair cabinet. Now this has everything you need to do a proper flat repair and keep you organized at the same time. So let's cut into it. Let's check out the chemicals and fluids included in the cabinet. We have 2 cans of pre-buff cleaner, 2 cans of vulcanizing cement, 1 can of inner liner sealer, and everybody's favorite Xtra bead sealer to seal up all those little cracks in your rim. The cabinet comes with 7 different varieties of patch material. Let's check them out. We got our patch plug combos, our plugs, and our universal patches. We got 2 different sizes of patch plug combos, 2 boxes each, 2 different sizes of plugs, 1 box each, and your universal square patch, all made in the USA. Have you checked your drawers lately? Let's check ours. We have a brass sidewall brush, stitcher, flexible skimming knife, spiral cement probe, post-out scraper, and a white paint stick. Now on to the fun stuff, power tools. We have a reversible pneumatic drill, low speed buffer, CC 4.5 carbide cutter with the arbor, CC 6 with the arbor, and a 60 grit 2-inch buffing dome with the arbor. Air powered vacuum to suck up your mess and clean up after yourself. The 14-604 kit also includes safety glasses, work gloves, and the Xtra XLIGHT. The XLIGHT is a versatile LED work light that includes a 12-inch adjustable spring tube, clamp-on handle, and a magnetic base that allows it to be used in 3 different configurations. Procedure poster, catalogs, and a tasteful Xtra sticker to represent. Order yours today from TireSupplyNetwork.com.